Assalamu alaikum. So I made this wood sign for my daughter to take with her to her dorm, and she loved it. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own. You will need a wood block in size 8 by 3 by 1, acrylic paint, I used black, and a foam brush, and of course the keeping it halal decal. So first step is it's very simple. You just need to paint the wood in black. I applied 2 coats. You have to wait between coats so they can dry. Once the paint dries, you can apply the decal. The decal consists of 3 layers: a paper backing, the middle layer, which is the actual design, and a clear top layer, which is the transfer paper. First step is to remove the decal from the paper backing. I forgot to show that step over here, but you will receive instructions with the decal. So once you remove it from the paper backing, you apply it to the wood. Then you gently, as you can see me doing here, peel away the transfer paper. Basically, that's it. Yeah, you don't need to seal this wood sign because it will not go outside. It will remain indoors, and you can decorate with it. You can put it on a shelf, on a mantle, on a counter. Just a beautiful reminder to keeping it halal. I love working with decals. They're easy and they're not messy, as you can see. And you just need to be a little patient applying the decals so you don't tear it. But other than that, it's a fun, easy project to do.